Hello, it's me Aryan the Techie, and today I'm doing the second part of first chapter Introduction to Java, Class 9 ICSE Computer Applications Optional Introduction to Java. Features of Java. High level means there are two-step process to run a program in Java. First, the high level program which we type directly into the text editor or the BlueJ window. First, that is converted to bytecode by a compiler called Javak in Java compiler. It will convert to bytecode which is independent on any machine. For the high level has an extension, means for example if the program name is a, it will have a dot java, and the bytecode will have a dot class. But the machine language, then bytecode is converted into machine language by JVM, does not have any extension. It is not a file, it is only compiled, and then it shows the output, takes the input like that. Java programs are more secure and robust as there is extensive checking at compilation by the Javak or the Javak, and there is abstraction, encapsulation, where these two are some concepts of loops, means oops, object oriented. Encapsulation is the binding of data and functions to keep them secure. Abstraction is the process of showing essential items and hiding the non-essential things, which, and these two and extensive checking helps programmers to decide who will access the program and change it, and availability. If there is an error in the program, it will get detected. It won't stay as an error forever. There is automatic garbage collection in Java, which means when a variable loses its scope, it gets released automatically by the program. This is default, you cannot change it. Case sensitive. This int a, where a is a variable name, and int a, where capital A is a variable name, are different for Java. Java treats both as different. If you try to combine them both, it will show an error. Then strongly type. The variable needs to be initialized before using it. In Python, you can just give any value to a variable, any value. It doesn't matter in Python, but it matters in Java because Java is strongly typed. For example, we have to write char c before giving c equal to 6, or it will give an error. Means 6, I wrote 6, even if char I wrote 6, because remember I talked about the ASCII codes last time. You can either give 6 or you can give the ASCII corresponding. For example, if I give char c equal to 65, it will take as capital A. Like that. You can give numbers also, but you need to know the ASCII correspondent. After that, features of Java. More features of Java. There are Java libraries like java.util, java.awt, you have java.swing, java.awt.event. AWT is used for creating graphical user interface. It will create a window with buttons here. Java.util is for many things. One of them is scanner, which is used to take input in Java programs, and we have it in 9th class. If you have it, not me. Java.lang is a default package in Java. It is already in Java. You don't need to import it by some other statement. It contains system. Remember I talked about system.out.println in my previous video. Then java.mat, it's used for many mathematical functions. String is like a sentence or a word which has an opening double quote and closing double quote. For example, I can put share in capital. I can put numbers, I can put symbols, many things. In short, string is just many characters which are joined together. After that, we have comments. comments like we have comment section in YouTube. It's not like that. Comments in programming are used for, means it's used to help programmer, means programmer can put comments like this is for this, means after that if he forgets what to do he can just see the comments. Single line comments, the syntax is double backslash, no, front slashes, and after that write anything. Multi-line comments syntax is this and this. Documentation comments syntax this. Documentation comments are mostly used in starting of the program to tell what is the program for. After that, features of Java. More features of Java. There are keywords, 48 keywords, and there are 4 more extended keywords which are not counted completely as keywords. Then all have specific meaning. For example, remember in my previous video, you have to remember, means I'll put a link in description to see it. Void is a keyword. One second, sorry. Void is a keyword. After that, class is a keyword. Public is a keyword. Many keywords are there. 48 are there. All are in lowercase. Variable name can never be used as a keyword name. I can't give int class is equal to 0. It will give an error. Then we have difference between JDK and BlueJ. BlueJ I made a video before. JDK I'll make a video soon how to use it. It is a DOS based platform. DOS means everything is on command. You have to open the command line and type the commands. Here it is Windows and Mac based, means you can use your mouse also. In DOS you can only use your keyboard. How difficult was it? Okay, it uses commands for compilation. You have to literally give zavak and then give the class name and .java like that for the command. I make a video, don't worry. It uses a menu for compilation. You have to click on compile button and it will get compiled. There is no sample program displayed. There is a sample program which appears when class is created. You can see my previous video for BlueJ. I'll again put a link in description. This is it for this video. Bye guys. Like, subscribe.